Okay, so today we'll be evaluating simple log expressions and solving simple log equations, and then you basically have a work day. So let's take a look at number one. Number one is an expression that we can evaluate. Log base 2 of 16. What is the value of that? So what you're doing in your head is you're saying, what exponent do I raise this base to come up with this answer? And the correct answer is 4. Okay, some of you are going to be really good at that. Some of you are going to look at it and go, huh? All right, so if you're a huh person, this is what you do. Whatever we're trying to solve for, in this case, actually just simplify, is the exponent in this one. That's what we're looking for, an exponent, because the answer to a logarithm is the exponent. So log base 2, if you're not sure what to do, just set it equal to x, and then switch forms. So if I switched forms here, this would be 2 to the x equals 16. Now hopefully at this point you can see it's supposed to be 4, but you can go back to like bases if you want to, and then you get x equals 4. So this simplified is 4. So if you can just look at it and do it that way.
So your answer would be
4. Just 4. It's the exponent. So the answer to this expression simplified is just a number. This one's slightly more difficult. So you might find it helpful to say, okay, this is going to equal some exponent. So you might want to take this expression and turn it into an equation in order to evaluate the expression. So my base is 1/9. My exponent is x. My answer is 27. So now we have a problem that we can write with like bases. What is the like base for 1/9 and 27? 3. So 1/9 is 3 to the negative second. 27 is 3 to the third. So I get negative 2x equals 3. So x equals negative 3/2. Now, once again, if you can look at the first one and go negative 3/2 without showing work, I am completely fine with that. Any questions on numbers 1 and 2? All right, now we have some simple equations here where we're missing one of our values. So this is log base 4 of x is equal to negative 1/2, and we're going to solve for x this time. So when I'm not sure what the answer is, I can switch forms. What is my base? 4. What is my exponent? What is my answer part? X. So all I'm doing is 4 to the negative 1/2. Well, the negative means 1 over, and the 1/2 power just means square root. So this is 1/2. Does that make sense?
yes.
Excellent. Okay, you try. take a look at this one. Our base is 27 1/25. Our exponent is 2/3, and it equals x. So 27 1/25 raised to the 2/3 equals x. So this goes back to what we just did. We're taking the cubed root of 27 over 125 and then squaring it. Well, the cubed root is 3/5, and 3/5 squared is 9/25. How'd you do? Yay! Okay, and then the last form that they could give us in is where we're solving for the base. So it becomes the base raised to an exponent equals the answer, so x equals 6. And we're not going to have negative bases here for logarithms. Okay?
So simple.
Yeah. All right. Your homework is numbers 1 through 18, parts B and C, 35 through 44, parts A and B, and then 45 and 46. You guys have plenty of time to finish in class, so hopefully you will be able to do it.